Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the new recipe, Grilled Oyster Mushroom. First, make sure you already have the original grilled mushroom recipe. You can get this recipe from Massimo, NPC Massimo. And then next, just go to your stove and then tap on it. And then next, just select the original grilled mushroom recipe. This one, just tap on it. And then after that, just change the ingredient to oyster mushroom, like this. And then after that, just tap on start cooking. And okay, like this, after you finish, you will unlock the new grilled oyster mushroom recipe like this. Usually there will be a special animations at the first time you successfully cook it like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.